All right, when you truly let go and you truly ready for change, you start letting go of old friends, old familiar spirits, old habits, alcohol, abuse, trauma. You let go of everything, hate. You just forgive people because you know you're going to raise your vibration. You know you're going to get that promotion. You know that you're going to find that guy, that girl that's meant for you. You know that you're worth it. When you're ready and you love yourself, you know that you're worth it. You're worth everything. Look at this. Gorgeous, right? But you know it. So stop, like, not believing in yourself and believe in yourself and just do what you want to do. If you want to work that job, if you want to go there, if you want to travel, do what you want to do because life is too short to be unhappy. Like, come on now. Life is too short, honey. I'm trying to tell you. And if you think that you can't do it, then that's your life. You create your own world. So stop making your world something that you don't want and make it what you want because you the creator of your universe. So stop saying these words that are not are not making you like proud of yourself.